Hi 10th class students, today we are going to discuss the sixth problem in the exercise 10.3. So let us go through the problem. Spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter which contains some water. So the diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeters. It contains some water up to this level. This is the level of water. When we dropped some spherical marbles, the water level rises to from this place to here. That means how much height it is raised? 5.6 centimeters height raised. Now find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises to 5.6 centimeters. So first of all we need to find the volume of marble, diameter of marble. Diameter of marble is D1 1.4 centimeters implies its radius is R1 equal to D1 by 2, that is 1.4 by 2, 0.7 centimeters children. This is the radius of spherical marble. Right. Volume of one marble. Volume V1 is equal 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. That is volume of one marble. How many marbles we replaced in the beaker we don't know. So number of marbles replaced. Let number of marbles replaced, we don't know, taken as x. Therefore x marbles volume, x into 4 by 3 pi R1 cube. This is volume of x marbles. So how much water is replaced? How much height of water replaced? 5.6. This is the volume of height of water. Diameter of beaker is 7 centimeters. Goes through the beaker. About beaker. Diameter is, that is D2 7 centimeters. So radius R2 is equal to D2 by 2, that is 7 by 2 centimeters children. This is the radius of beaker. Now we are going to discuss volume of beaker. Height of the water replaced. ఎంత height of water అనేది రీప్లేస్ అయింది? ఇది ప్రీవియస్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ అయిందమ్మా వాటర్. సో హైట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ రీప్లేస్డ్ that is h taken as 5.6 centimeters. Therefore volume of water replaced, is equal formula pi R2 square h. So according to problem, x marble volume is equal to volume of water replaced. అంటే కొన్ని మార్బల్స్ వేసినప్పుడు దాని వాటర్ లెవెల్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిందండి. దాని అర్థమైందమ్మా, ఎన్నైతే మార్బల్స్ వేసామో అంత వాటర్ అనేది పైకి రీప్లేస్ అయింది. కాబట్టి x మార్బుల్స్ వాల్యూమ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ రీప్లేస్డ్. అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లం x into 4 by 3 pi R1 cube equal to pi R2 square h. Pi r both sides cancel. x into 4 by 3 into R1 is how much children here? 0.7 centimeter. So 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7 equal to R2 square. R2 is how much? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into H is 5.6. So I'll transpose all the values from left side to RHS. X is equal 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5.6 into 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4 into 0.7, 1 by 0.7 into 1 by 0.7 into 1 by 0.7. Okay, do cancellations here children. 7 ones, 7 0.1s, 7 ones, 7 0.1s, 7 eights, 7 ones, 0.7 ones, 0.78s, 5.6, 7 eights are 5.6. So that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 8 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 8 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 0.01, 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, that is 3 by 2 into 0.1, 0.002. Now multiply with 100 on both sides, 0.02. Multiply with 100 here, you get 300 by 0.2 into 100, that is 2. 2 ones, 2 150s. So number of marbles replaced are equal to how much children? 150. So this is the end of the first sixth problem. Now we are going to discuss the seventh problem. A pen stand is made up of wood shaped in the form of a cuboid with 3 conical depressions hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15, 10, 3.5. The radius of each depression is 0.5 centimeters and the depth is 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Okay children, this is the end of this problem. So now we are going to discuss seventh problem children. Hold a bit ma'am. Okay, a pen stand is made up of wood in the shape of a cuboid with 3 conical depressions to hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter, that means 15 centimeter is the length of the cuboid. The length of the cuboidal depression is 15, breadth is 10, this is the breadth 10 centimeter and height is 7 centimeters. Now the conical depressions dimensions are, the radius of the depression is, this is the conical depression, the radius is how much given for us? 0.5, that is taken as R1, 0.5 centimeters and depth is 1.4. Depth is nothing but height of the conical depression, 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. How like we find the volume of the remaining wood? So this is pen stand, 3 conical depressions are made here. When we remove the wood conically, so how like find the volume of the remaining wood? That is volume of cuboid minus volume of 3 conical depressions. We get the volume of the remaining wood children. Okay, first of all we go through the cuboid. Length of the cuboid, L is equal 15 cm, breadth B is equal 10 centimeter and height H is equal 7 centimeters. Therefore volume of wood Volume of the pen stand V1 is equal formula LBH 15 into 10 into 7. 15 tens are 150, 15 sevens are 105, 1050 cubic centimeters. This is the volume of cubical stand. So, 3 conical depressions are made to keep the pen stand. So, nowadays this type of pen stands are not available for us. In olden days, this kind of pen stands are available in presence of table of doctor's table. Are you see any time? Pen stand. Okay. In olden days, doctors near this type of pen stand is available. Okay. Now, radius of conical depression. Radius of conical depression. R1 is equal 0. Sorry, it is not R1. Okay, R 0.5 centimeters. Depth is nothing but height. 1.4 centimeters, children. So, volume of 3 conical depressions are identical. So, volume of 3 conical depressions. Formula 3 into volume of core formula, you know that 1 by 3 into pi r square h. So, 3 ones are cancelled, pi r square h. Apply the values here, children, that is 22 by 7 into r value 0.5 into 0.5, height is 1.4, 7 ones 0.2s 1.4. Now multiply that entire values, 22 into 0.25 into 0.2. When we multiply this all values, 0.25 into 0.2, 0.005. Is it right or not? 3 digits before we need to keep the point, into 22. 2 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 0. Same values, 0 0 1 1. How many digits? 3 digits before. That is 1.1 cubic centimeters. This much cubic centimeters of volume is removed. So, volume of the remaining solid is equal V1 minus V2. దీన్ని V2 గా తీసుకుందామండి. వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ 3 డిప్రెషన్స్ ది V1 is 1050 minus 1.1. సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేయండి, మీకు కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 10.3. Tomorrow we have to discuss 10.4, children. Bye.